Ketan Mehta, the brand, the film, the art. We can relate this to his name. He is critically acclaimed director. Started from films, then established a studio and now is a brand. He is fun and jolly to be with, but at the same time, he says work is work and needs to be completed on time. Let's try and find out what does art in films means to him.
Art and cinema mean to you?
Well, cinema is one of the most established art forms now. It is one of the most fascinating art forms because it combines all the art forms within itself. At the same time, it's also a mass media.
Yes.
So that is the kind of a balance that the cinema has to strive for, where it reaches out to a large number of people. At the same time, it's an art form which is such a beautiful art form and such a powerful art form.
Okay. Maya Memsab, Rang Rasya, where you have sensuous scenes, but there's a thin line when the film turns from art to vulgarity, but you have balance and still maintain it as art. So how difficult it is for you, and how difficult it is to get that thing cleared from censors and to get the certificate? So how?
Sensuality is an essential part of art, I believe, and I believe that sensuality is an essential part of life. But it's only when you start looking at sensuality as a perversity that it degrades into vulgarity, as you say. And finding the right kind of a balance is what you strive for.
So how do you manage it?
When you are not exploiting a female body just for the titillation of a mass audience, in that case, sensuality is a really fine, refined kind of a sentiment, and therefore it is an essential part of life.
The Indian audience, we see films from the point of view as an entertainment. We don't see it from art. So how difficult it is to connect to the audience through art?
I think India is not just one kind of an audience. There are all kinds of audiences merged into one thing that you call an Indian audience. There are kinds and kinds of people. Some people like art, some people just want to pass time and entertain themselves. I think we have undervalued or devalued the word entertainment. The Hindi word, which is manoranjan, is a much better word to explain the kind of the phenomena, because man is just not the heart or senses; it is also the mind. So something that triggers, something that excites the entire being is entertainment.
Nowadays, art in cinema is vanishing, diminishing. We have commercial media. So, how do you think what needs to be done to encourage these kinds of films so that people can connect? Young students like us can connect to them, and we can make better films. So,
I suppose more such films will have to be made and made accessible to the new generation of people or audiences. And I don't think art ever dies out. There is an intrinsic desire for expressing beautifully, and that will continue.
okay, thank you so much.
Ketan Mehta called film the seventh art because it is the only form of art that have all the six art forms combined together which result into cinema. The uniqueness of the concept, the freshness of the theme, discovering new boundaries encourages him to make movies. And he makes art live through his movies.